Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I just want to share one of the wonderful ways you can use the Stamparatus. And if you're new to the Stamparatus and have just ordered one and received one, or if you're thinking about it, this can show you the ease of use and different ways you can use it to get good stamp placement with several stamps for a project. Now for this, it would really come in handy if you're doing multiples of the same cards. Say if you're going to make some cards to sell, if you're making a lot of thank you cards in the same style, if you're making Christmas cards, anything like that that you're doing over this technique, this use of the Stamparatus is amazing. But for this one, I just wanted to get good placement, and I'm using the Enjoy Life stamp set, and I'm going to be using this little bush right here, the stemmed, the Love You, and this I don't think I could more than I already do right there. So I have a 2.5 by 5 piece of Very Vanilla already mounted in. I've got my silicone sheet underneath to give me extra padding, the little foam pad that comes with the Stamparatus. I've got one magnet holding it down up in the corner, and that's how I'm going to stamp. Now I know that I want this size of Very Vanilla cardstock on my card front. Okay, so that was determined the size that I needed. So now I know I want this little stemmed plant down here at the bottom. So I'm placing it with the stamp side down, like as if I was stamping. Okay, and I'm just going to place it there. I have one of the plates attached on this left side. Bring it over, pick it up, and the magnet holds this sheet down. Okay, and now I know I want this. I don't think I could more than I already do. I want that here. I come down just a tad. I'm going to line that up, and these grids on the plates also help you to see if it's straight, and that's pretty good. So I'm going to press it down and then bring it up. Okay, so now I want to put Love You in the middle there. So I'm going to pull up my plate to a 90-degree angle, take it, flip it over like this so I can use this side. This stamp is still over here on this side. And I know that I'm going to want that in the center there. But I was getting ahead of myself, so let me show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead and stamp the little stemmed plant here. I'm just inking up my stamp by lightly pressing over it here. Okay, and then I'm just going to bring this over and stamp, pressing down on it. Okay, perfect. I'm going to take my Simply Chamois and go ahead and clean that stamp. Now, I want this to come down right there, okay? So I'm going to use Fresh Fig and ink that one up and come right down. Like that. Now, I know where I want to place the Love You. So I can take this out, turn it around, put it in, and then I can take the Love You and place it right there in that space, and then bring down the plate, pick it up, and push down your cardstock if it lifts up a bit. And I'm using Highland Heather on the Love You, and then come down and stamp. Okay, so there it is, just picture perfect. Now, You can see now all of those are positioned. If I wanted to make several cards like this, I could just leave that there and go through the process, moving the plates and stamping, and it would be so easy. Now I want to add some little butterflies, and I find it, I've just mounted them here. I'm going to leave that there since it's good and positioned, and I'm going to ink up this butterfly and fresh fig. Move my magnet a bit and stamp. And then I have the other butterfly that I'm going to ink in Highland Heather. And stamp. Okay. All right. So let me show you the finished card. Here it is mounted on the front and just makes a really pretty presentation for a card. The Stamparatus is a great tool, and there are many ways you can use it. And I'm just beginning to touch on all the ways. So as I learn more, I will share more. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.